Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the brutal, often hidden world of your car's suspension. You think you know how to make your car last? But I guarantee you're missing some shocking secrets that mechanics rarely share. We've compiled 19 of the most critical, often forgotten tips that can be the difference between a car that survives for decades and one that is doomed to the scrapyard. Stick around, because what you're about to learn could save you thousands. Let us start with a dirty little secret. Neglecting your tire pressure is one of the fastest ways to destroy your suspension. It's not just about fuel economy. Uneven pressure puts a brutal strain on your shocks and struts, causing them to wear out prematurely. It's a simple check, but it's one that's criminally forgotten by most drivers. Think of it as your suspension's first line of defense, and you're letting it fail. Next up, a truly disturbing trend: ignoring strange noises. That squeak, that clunk, that groan, it's your car crying out for help. Many people just turn up the radio, abandoning their vehicle's plea. This is a dangerous game. That small noise could be a failing ball joint or a rotting bushing. A simple fix that, if ignored, can lead to a catastrophic, terrifying failure on the highway. We'll get into the real sounds you need to fear later on. Here's another one: cheap, aftermarket parts. It's tempting to save a buck, but installing a banned or low-quality part is like giving your car a cursed component. These parts often don't meet OEM specifications and can fail in unpredictable, dangerous ways. You think you traded a bit of cash for a quick fix, but what you really traded was your safety and your car's longevity. We'll show you the hidden signs of a fake part you absolutely need to know. Let's talk about something most people have never even heard of: strut mount bearings. These are the hidden heroes that allow your front wheels to turn smoothly. When they start to go bad, you'll feel a binding or a clunk when you turn the wheel. Drivers often misdiagnose this, but a failed strut mount can put immense stress on the entire strut assembly, leading to a much more expensive, feared repair down the line. It's a shocking domino effect. And what about alignment? I'll get to it later, is a phrase that dooms countless suspensions. Driving with a bad alignment is like forcing your car to walk with a limp. It creates uneven tire wear, sure, but it also puts a constant, brutal load on one side of your suspension components. Your tie rods, control arms, and bushings are slowly being tortured, and you won't know the full extent of the damage until it's too late. Here's a truly lost art: visual inspections. You don't need to be a mechanic to look under your car. We'll show you exactly what to look for. Are your shocks oily or leaking fluid? That's a shocking sign they've failed internally. Either rubber boots on your ball joints or CV axles torn? That means dirt and grime are getting in, grinding away at those critical joints like sandpaper. This is a real, tangible way to catch problems before they become terrifying. Now for a dirty secret about potholes. We all hit them, but how you hit them matters. Panicking and slamming on the brakes right before impact is one of the worst things you can do. This compresses the front suspension, making it rigid and unable to absorb the brutal impact. The force is transferred directly into your suspension components and even your wheel, causing hidden damage that can surface weeks later. We'll teach you the proper pothole survival technique. Let's talk about something abandoned by many modern drivers: understanding your car's load limit. Overloading your vehicle, even just once for that big move, puts a starving amount of stress on your springs and shocks. It can cause them to sag permanently, ruining your car's ride height and handling. It's a dangerous mistake that permanently weakens the backbone of your car, leaving it doomed to a life of poor performance and constant repairs. Another feared issue: sway bar links. These little rods connect your sway bar to the suspension and are crucial for controlling body roll when you turn. They're often the first suspension component to fail, creating a clunking noise over bumps. Ignoring this is a mistake. A broken link can make your car feel unstable and unpredictable in emergency maneuvers. A truly terrifying situation you want to avoid at all costs. Here's a shocking fact about power steering fluid. On many cars, the power steering system is linked to the suspension's feel. If your fluid is old and contaminated, it can cause the steering rack, which is a key suspension-related component, to wear out prematurely. It's a forgotten fluid change that has disastrous consequences. We'll show you how a simple fluid check can save you from a multi-$1,000 repair. Now, for a brutal truth about off-roading. Even light off-roading. Taking your daily driver on a dirt road just once can introduce a shocking amount of dust and grit into your suspension components. This accelerates wear on every moving part. If you must go off the beaten path, a thorough cleaning afterward isn't just for looks. It's a critical maintenance step to prevent your suspension from rotting from the inside out. Let's discuss the curse of curb rash. Bumping a curb, even gently, can knock your alignment out of whack and, in a worst-case scenario, bend a control arm or tie rod. This hidden damage is a ticking time bomb. You might not feel it at first, but the compromised part is under constant stress, waiting to fail. It's a dangerous mistake that has doomed many otherwise perfect cars. Another lost secret involves your cars. Bushings. These small rubber pieces are everywhere in your suspension, and their job is to absorb vibrations. Over time, they become dry, cracked, and brittle. Replacing them is a labor-intensive job that many people avoid, but failing to do so transfers every brutal road vibration directly into your car's metal components and your spine, leading to a harsh ride and accelerated wear on everything. Here's a real shocker. Tire rotation isn't just about tire life. It's about suspension balance. By regularly rotating your tires, you ensure that wear is distributed evenly, which in turn means the load on your suspension components left to right, front to bike, remains balanced. An unbalanced load leads to one side of your suspension working harder, a recipe for premature failure. It's a simple, forgotten step with huge implications. Let's move on to the terrifying world of ball joints. These are the pivot points that connect your wheel hubs to the control arms. A worn ball joint can cause clunking noises and vague steering. If it fails completely, the wheel can literally detach from the car while you're driving. This is not an exaggeration. It's a real, catastrophic failure that proper inspection can prevent. We'll show you the disturbing signs of a ball joint on the verge of death. Now, a dirty secret about car washes. The high-pressure undercarriage sprays can be your best friend or your worst enemy. While they clean away corrosive salt and grime, they can also force water past worn seals and into sensitive joints. The key is to know the condition of your suspension boots and seals before you blast them. A torn boot is an open invitation for water, a curse that will lead to rapid rust and failure. Here's another abandoned practice: lubricating your suspension. On older cars, and even some modern trucks, there are grease fittings, or zerks, on components like ball joints and tie rod ends. They are there for a reason. Starving them of fresh grease allows metal and metal contact, leading to rapid, brutal wear. Many quick lube places skip this critical step. It's a lost maintenance art that you need to bring back. Next, abandoned by common sense, modification. Cutting your springs. To get that lowered look on the cheap, some people will actually cut coils from their car's springs. This is incredibly dangerous. It ruins the spring rate, destroys your car's handling, and puts a shocking amount of stress on your shocks, which are now likely bottoming out on every bump. It's a modification that dooms your car to a short, painful life. Finally, the most forgotten secret of all. Using the right tools and torque specs. When you or a mechanic replaces a suspension part, tightening the bolts correctly is critical. Over-tightening can crush bushings or stretch bolts to the point of failure. Under-tightening can allow for dangerous movement and noise. Using a torque wrench isn't optional. It is the only way to ensure the repair has survived the test of the road, and is a hidden ticking time bomb. And there you have it, 19 suspension secrets that can literally make the difference between a car that lasts forever and one that's headed for the junkyard. We hope this deep dive into the often hidden and brutal reality of suspension maintenance helps you keep your car safe and reliable for years to come. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into your car's biggest secrets, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a thing.